here are the hive stands. They were fairly easy to set up. I think I'm going to get some blocking for them. You can see how uneven the ground is here, and it's sloped as well. So I'm going to try and level those up a bit. That should not be hard at all. That gives me at least 6 inches more height on those hives. So you can see the unstanded hives here. Pretty low. And for me, that there is low enough. So I just made 4 of these stands. I'll run them this summer. We'll see what happens. And see if I think I should spend money on making more. I'm just out here today. First warm day in a while. I'm just going to do a few consolidations. There's a few dead outs here. There's one there, there's one over there. There's 3 over there. So I need to consolidate some pallets. Just to keep the apiary tidy and orderly, which is what I like. This is the All-Tech Bee Pollenate. We definitely have been taking that down. I forget how many days it's been here, but it might be 4 or 5. And they're on that sugar cake, taking that down nice. So I'll leave them to it.